Very good morning, all of you. Welcome to Class 5 MDM Children Academy. Our today's topic for Class 5 is Simple Present Interrogative Tense WH type. WH type positive and WH type negative. Okay, let's get started. Words that are used to ask questions. Words that are used to ask questions are known as question words. They are also called WH words because they all are start with the letter WH except the word. Okay. What is used to talk about? पहले हम words पढ़ लेते हैं, उसके बाद उसका pattern, then I'll explain. What? Here WH type 8 I given you. What क्या, why क्यों, how कैसे, which कौन सा, where कहाँ, who कौन, when कब, whose किसका किनका, how many कितना, but how many used for countable noun, how much कितना but used for uncountable, how long कितनी दूर, how often कितनी बार, how much, how many, how long and how often I am giving you to tell about questions, but there is no use in the here in your topic. But let's start. Talk about the WH word what. What is used to talk about या ask about people and things, like what is your brother name, what's in the bag, what are you doing. Fine. Next, who is used to ask about the main person in a sentence. Main person in a sentence. Who are you? Who plays in the park with you? Who plays in the park with you? Talk about when. When is used about time. When we ask to about a time, then we use when. When will we start for the picnic? When will we start for the picnic? Like this. Where is used to ask about a place. Place. Where do you want to go in the evening? Where do you want to go in the evening? Fine. Where. Why is used to ask for a reason. Reason. Why were you absent yesterday? Teacher always asking in the class, now why were you absent yesterday? So why? For a reason. Whose is used to ask about someone's possession. अधिकार जिसे हम बोलते हैं, possession. Whose book is it? किसकी बुक है ये? Like this. Whose bed is this? Whose bed is this? Which is used when there is a choice between two or more things. For choice we use which. I say, which of these books do you want? Which of these books do you want? Okay? Like this. I can say, which boy is your friend? Which boy is your friend? Understand? Now talk about how. How is used to ask about the way. Something is done, something is prepared. How is used to ask about the way. Something is done, something is prepared. How do you make biryani? How do you make biryani? How do you come to school? How do you come to school? How can you always write so neatly? How can you always write so neatly? Understand? Let's talk about the WH type. WH type interrogative sentences need explanation for their proper answers. But in the yes no type we didn't give any answer, right? WH type questions, interrogative sentence words, they before do and does will apply. Like we read to forward here pattern. Positive pattern is you have to apply WH word before. First you have to apply helping verb, but here you have to take out WH word, then helping verb, then subject, then main verb and end question mark. In a negative, you have to apply WH word, helping verb, subject, not and main verb and with question mark. Let's move further for the example for positive is इंटैरोगेटिव का हम एग्जाम्पल देख रहे हैं. येस नो टाइप को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे WH टाइप में. योर एग्जाम्पल इज डू यू गो देयर. डू यू गो देयर. ओके. डू इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सब्जेक्ट यू, मेन वर्ब गो एंड देयर. सो मेक कन्वर्ट इनटू WH वर्ड. हम वाई में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हमारा निकलेगा वाई, WH वर्ड. देन वील अप्लाई हेल्पिंग वर्ब विच इज़ डू बिकॉज यू plural. Then we apply do. Go there. Why do you go there? Why do you go there? Do you swim? Do you swim? Apply with WH word where. Where do you swim? Where do you swim? Understand? Does she work? She के साथ does. So apply where. Where does she work? Okay. Do you walk? Do you walk? When do you walk? For time. देखिए फॉर प्लेस हमने यूज़ किया है वेयर, फॉर टाइम हमने यूज़ किया है when. फॉर रीज़न आई यूज़ वाई. इफ़ द you have cleared the question, then it is done. Pattern for negative. WH, do, does, subject, not, we first and question mark. Do you not go there? I here take an example yes no type of interrogative. Do you not go there? तुम वहाँ क्यों नहीं गए? For a reason. Why do you not go there? Okay. Like this you can make easily and I think it is clear to you all. Have a nice day.